Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Brenda Joseph. Today I'm going to show you how to install a mortice lock. Just stick around and I will learn everything. Thank you. So when you unbox your mortice lock, you will get something like this one. This one is the main body of the lock. Then you will get this one also is the cylinder. Then after that you will get the screws, these screws for screwing the handle and even the lock itself. Then there's this one for also securing the watch, the cylinder, this one. Then after that you'll get this metal, this crossing metal. It's called the rod, which connects the handles. Then after that you'll get a bunch of keys. This one has many, but usually it comes with 2 or 3 keys. Lastly you will get these ones, these 2 handles. So after that you can start doing what? Doing your work. I think I can even first show you how it's going to be. So what you do, this one comes here like this. So that one goes there like that. Then you put this one to hold this one in one position. Now then this one's come here like this. So it is easy to connect these handles together like this. Now that is ready, you have seen. So it looks like this after fixing. But now the work is not complete. So I had forgotten about this. It's called a blade, which is fixed on the door frame, but the rest is fixed on the style of the door itself. Just keep watching. So after that, then you come here and you take the measurements of the main body of the lock, and you transfer it on the door or on the style of the door. You mark the mortise. After marking like that, then you do mortising. you use a square and indicate the pencils properly. I've used the marker so that you can see it properly, because the pencil is faint. I'm just demonstrating, but this one is already morticed, but I'm showing you the steps, the way to go. So after that, then you trace the thickness of the lock like this. The same way you trace the other side, you come this side also like that. So after that, then you get the chisel. You use 3/4 inch, which is the same thickness with the lock. So if you use 3/4, it will not disturb you, just go once. And when you are using a drill, you use angle bit, and the size also is supposed to be 3/4. So you mortise the way I'm mortising like this. After that, then you fit in the lock, just cleaning the mortise, showing you the way you are supposed to do. So the mortise is clean, it's ready. Now I'm fitting in the lock. The lock has entered properly. So the next step is for fixing the handles. Then you put it here. This one have to be flat, with it, with the door or the style. Then you trace the marker here. After marking, then you drill the holes. Then you drill. Even the upper also. For this one. Then fix this one. Next, put this. okay. Then lastly you fix this one. So thank you very much for watching and supporting the channel. See you on next upload. Bye bye.